I'm Dr. John Donahue,
And I'm May, and we are with Kids Day Maricopa.
and we are the founders and coordinators of Kids Day. Kids Day is basically health, safety, and environmental awareness for children. At first we started because I had a colleague that did it, and it was a smaller version of what we do. I said I wanted to make it bigger. My friend had like 500 people at his, and after years of doing it, our first day was 1,200.
We had such an outpouring and such a need for it that we have to continue. We cannot stop, and here we are 18 years later.
Because it was 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, so many people were coming. We said we could do more with this, and so we started to find more and more resources for people, money for them and other resources to help them out, healthcare and things like that. So it really has evolved to something gigantic, a one-stop shop.
We have so many resources in the high schools and the middle schools that our families and children are not aware of, outside programs. So for Maricopa Food Bank, the Maricopa Pantry, dental, United Way, they have the amazing reading program.
Kids who come up to you and said that they were struggling with something like drinking or drugs or things like that, thinking about, or people pressuring them, and now they're grown adults in college and said thank you for having this event and what have you.
Well, I think one of my favorite moments is that low roar the entire day of joyful noise. I love it. The entire day is just wonderful, happy little ones, and they're learning. They don't realize everything they're doing is learning, and it's interactive, and they're enjoying it.
We've been there and stood there at Kids Day, and I'll look at May and I'll say, we did this. Look at this.
Sometimes you just don't know. We just continue to see that there is a need for it because of the growth that it's grown into, that there's definitely a need for this program.